Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I've just created a small application which is a file organizer. So example, if you have a bunch of files on your desktop or any drive just lying there and you have no solution for it because those are a lot of files over there and you don't want to waste your time behind that organizing things folder by folder and etc. So this is a small application, it's not big, it's just this much, just a small simple function with a dictionary. So I'll just explain you the code line by line and then I'll just execute it because I've just messed my desktop over here in case to just show you the working of the code. So these are a bunch of audio files, Python files, PDFs, PTT and text documents. I'll just show you the output in a minute. First let me show you the code. So this is basic standard library OS of Python. Then this is the path library, which is not a standard library in Python, but you can download it, or if you know, like this pip path lib. So this is how you can install it via pip. So this is a dictionary which I have created. If you want to know basic knowledge, if you want to have a basic knowledge about dictionary, just have a look on my previous video about dictionaries. So this is a dictionary. So these are the folder names basically, which are in capital letters. These are the folder names: plain text, PDF, Python, and these are the extensions which I've just used in the dictionary. So for images it can be PNG, JPEG, GIF, document, PTTs, audio, MP3, M4A, Python, .py extension, and etc. for various extensions of multiple files. So this is the file format way object considering, and this is this particular thing will assume the directory which the this code is in. For example, right now this file is over here on the desktop, so this is the code which you will have to actually run. So it's right now in desktop, so this much portion will look after for what are the items in a specific area of a desktop or a drive or a folder, etc. So this is the in item function. This is the inbuilt function which detects then returns the number of values or number of files, etc. In this case it's files, the number of files in a particular drive, folder, or a place in a system. So this is our main function, that's it. So this is the main function. So this is for entry. We will just scan the entire directory which the directory is in. Means example, this file organizer is in some kind of specific drive, example D drive or F drive. We'll just scan that directory and look for a specific amount of file extensions like document files, audio files, etc. Then there is a if statement. If it is if those particular directory or example, take it as desktop, if those files are within those directories or drive, it will just scan and put it into a particular folder. So this is the path entry, suffix lower, and lower means lower, the what it says, the lower small letters, example, yes, small letters. And path, this is a function which will make directory, and path rename, this will join path and put it all the files into a particular folder. And for directory again we will just look for this is the this for loop is used if that particular file or folder is already existing. If example, if you run the code again and again, then it will just look out for this code that you have to remove the directory for making or to run that code again. That's it. If you just have a basic knowledge about the documentation of OS and pathlib documentation, which are linked below in the description. So have the look of these functions. These are the functions: join, make directory, scan directory, is directory, for basic understanding of those particular functions. So this is the code. You can look it over here. That's it, and I'll just show you by running it. So close, yes, refresh. The files are all scattered. Running file organizer. So you can see everything is sorted in a well and specific manner. For example, PDFs are over here, audio files are over here, and etc. Python files, documents. So this can be pretty handy. You just have to run that particular file. This is the code. You just have to copy or use this file wherever you want. For example, if you want to run it in any of these drives, you can just go and run, copy the code and run it directly by double clicking. That's it. We'll just sort you everything. Yep, and thanks for watching this video, guys. The code will be available in the description, so I'll just show you once again. This is the code, this is dictionary, and see you in the next one.